What is that noise?
Come on!
What is happening to my car? Oh no, I will late for my appointment. Oh my gosh! Looks like my car service has lapsed as well. Hi Toyota, I have a problem.
Please check and service my car. If the engine is the car's heart, engine oil is the car's blood. Engine oil protects your car engine in 5 important ways: lubricating, cooling, sealing, cleaning, and preventing corrosion. And each Toyota recommended service is specially designed and packaged for your vehicle with a fixed price. Includes inspection of the battery, cabin air filter, wiper, brake system, undercarriage inspection, and many more. Our special service device will ensure your vehicle electrical and electronics are in good working condition. Regular maintenance will ensure top performance of your vehicle. Poor service maintenance may lead to engine sludge formation, which will interfere with the engine's smooth and efficient operation. A worst-case scenario may lead to engine seize.
I will ensure I follow Toyota's recommended service interval for peace of mind.